Invisible Touch Liquid Foundation is a beautiful serum-like formula. Not only is it incredibly clean, it is certified organic and made to last all day. Skincare dressed up as foundation is the key principle to this beautiful silicone-free formula. Our founder, Kirsten, developed each shade using the thousands of faces she's touched over the years as inspiration. Today, I'm going to show you how to find the best shade for your skin tone and some tips for a natural-looking application. First, select 3 shades close to your natural skin tone. Swipe each of the 3 shades across the lower part of your cheekbone. You want to compare the shade to both your face and neck. Gently blend each shade into the cheek to see which one disappears into your skin. Choose the one that most closely matches your skin tone. If you can't decide, we recommend choosing a shade a bit deeper to avoid looking washed out. Now let's talk about application. First, gently shake the bottle. Next, place 3 to 5 drops on the back of your hand and use your fingertips to blend onto the face. I like to start in the center of the face, working your way out like a sunburst, letting the formula glide over the face. At Kjaer Weis, we believe a light hand and the right tools are key for beautiful makeup application. However, if you feel you need to build more coverage, gently pat and press a second layer. This water and oil formula uses a beautiful bouquet of skincare ingredients to nourish and hydrate the skin. Our signature root of light and a blend of cold-pressed organic oils help moisturize, while acmella flower extract, also known as nature's Botox, helps to firm and smooth the skin. Invisible Touch Liquid Foundation comes in 24 natural, luminous shades. Follow us on Instagram at kjaerweis.itk to learn more.